What do you know rosemary for? Most people say, oh, it's that herb I sprinkle on roasted chicken. Or maybe that fragrant plant growing in someone's garden. And yes, that's true. But here's what many people don't know. Rosemary has been used as a powerful healing herb for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians placed it in tombs. Ancient Greeks even wore rosemary on their heads to improve memory. Today, modern science is finally confirming many of those ancient beliefs. So let's talk about the real health benefits of rosemary, and why this simple herb deserves a place in your daily life. First, what exactly is rosemary? Rosemary, scientifically known as Salvia rosmarinus, is an evergreen herb native to the Mediterranean region. It belongs to the mint family, the same family as lavender, basil, and thyme. The name rosemary comes from the Latin words rosmarinus, meaning dew of the sea, because the plant grows naturally near coastal areas. But what makes rosemary truly special is what's inside it. It contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, especially rosmaric acid and carnosic acid. These compounds are responsible for many of its health benefits. Let's start with one of the most interesting benefits. Rosemary helps boost brain function. Studies show that even smelling rosemary can improve memory and concentration. One study found that people who inhaled rosemary oil performed better on memory tests. This happens because rosemary contains a compound called 1,8-cineol, which helps protect acetylcholine, a brain chemical responsible for memory and learning. So if you ever feel mentally tired or need to focus, the aroma of rosemary may actually help sharpen your mind. Another powerful benefit is its anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is linked to many chronic conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, and diabetes. The antioxidants in rosemary help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. In simple terms, rosemary helps protect your cells from damage. Rosemary is also becoming popular for hair growth. Research has shown that rosemary oil can stimulate hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp. In one study, rosemary oil performed similarly to minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, after several months of use. Many people now mix a few drops of rosemary oil with coconut oil and massage it into the scalp regularly. Another great benefit is better digestion. Rosemary helps stimulate bile production in the liver. Bile helps the body break down fats and digest food more efficiently. That's why rosemary tea is often used to help with bloating, indigestion, and stomach discomfort after meals. Rosemary also supports heart health. Studies suggest that rosemary may help reduce LDL cholesterol, support healthy blood circulation, and protect blood vessels from damage caused by oxidation. While it's not a replacement for medical treatment, it can be a supportive herb for a healthy lifestyle. Finally, rosemary may also help reduce stress and improve mood. The scent of rosemary has been shown to lower cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Lower cortisol levels can help the body feel calmer and more balanced. So how can you use rosemary in your daily life? You can cook with it by adding it to vegetables, soups, or meats. You can drink it as tea by steeping fresh or dried rosemary in hot water. You can diffuse rosemary oil to enjoy its aroma. Or you can apply diluted rosemary oil to the scalp for hair care. Rosemary is much more than just a kitchen herb. It supports the brain, the heart, digestion, hair growth, and even stress relief, all from one simple plant. So the next time you see rosemary, remember, you're not just adding flavor to food. You're adding powerful natural support to your health.